Dear students, welcome to Mayura Virtual Academy. In this session, we'll be continuing with the linear layouts. So we have created this design, and having the better understanding about the basics of linear layout, now let us try to access the views that we have defined in the XML file in the Java file. So for now, we can access edit text and either button or image button and the text view. We can access all the views using the IDs. So we have created, in the last session we have created the objects for edit text and the button and the text view. Whenever the user clicks on the button, say the click me button, if any the data, if the user has given any inputs in the edit text, that will be setting into the above text view. That is, here at present by default it will be having Mayura Virtual Academy, and the user can give any input, and whenever the user clicks on this button, click me button, this whatever the text view that is there here, that is Mayura Virtual Academy, should be changed to the user given input text. So now let us compile and run this application, and here is the output. So now we can give user input data as welcome student and click on the button. So the Mayura Virtual Academy has been changed to welcome student. So this is one click listener. Either we can make we can override here, or we can use overridden method. One such use is, say we can create one more button, that is image button. Image button. Image button. Image button, and we can use the ID that is defined for that image button. So here it is the image button, ID is image button only. Oh, sorry. Image button. Even for this we can have the inbuilt on-click listener, such as image button dot set on-click listener. Image button dot set on-click listener, new on-click listener. Or what we can do is, we can access from here. So we can have one switch case, switch view dot get ID. We can have different cases. Case r dot id dot, if it is image button break, or if it is normal button, case r dot id dot, what is that is button, and break. So we can have this in order to access the views. And since this is this objects we have created within this method, it can be accessed only this method. So we need to define this text view, which can be accessed by the entire this activity. That is, we can go here and we can create one private object, that is text view, and the text view name is change name. Similarly, private edit text, and that is register name. Since we have created this object, this can be accessed by entire this activity since it has private access. So for this you can remove this, and this you can remove, and for now on click listeners we can make it as we can use the context. Even for this we can use the context as this, ending with semicolon, and this says that it has assigned but it is never accessed. So whenever the image button is clicked, we can show it to the user a pop-up like thing that is called as toast, a small notification that will be appearing to the user for short duration of time. So it will be taking context, what need to be displayed and how much duration it should display. So make context is main activity dot this, what you need to display. You can display image button is clicked and for how much duration, toast dot long, length long, we can show it to the user. Whenever the user clicks on the button, what we can do is we need to change the name of text view, that is change name dot set text. We need to get the data, user input data from the edit text, that is the register name. We can get the text using get text, convert that to string and set it to the text view. So this is the other way of utilizing the on-click listener. Let us compile and look into the application. And here is the output. So now let us change the name. Welcome to Mayura Virtual Academy, or welcome student, student. And when you click on the button, this will be changed to Mayura Virtual Academy should be changed to welcome student. And whenever the user clicks on image button, a small notification which will be shown to the user for short duration of time, that is called as toast. So it is displaying that image button is clicked. So this is in brief about the linear layouts and how to access the views from the XML file into the Java file. So now to summarize, in this session we have learnt about the linear layouts and its orientation. How do we use the vertical orientation things, and how do we use the horizontal orientation things, and we have learnt about the basic the widgets, the most commonly used widgets that we use in every applications, and what are the attributes it can take, such as width, height, gravity, layout gravity, margin, padding, and we have seen most the common things that we need to look into while we are designing any the user interface. In which scenarios we need to use the margins and paddings. And we have also learnt about the layout weight concept. How do we divide the screen based on the layout weights? It can be we have looked into the horizontal concept. The same thing we can use even in the vertical concept, and where we can make the height of the view as 0, and we can use the layout weight concept. And how to navigate, how to use the different views that is defined in the XML files in the Java file. And these are the things that we have learned in this session. Hope you had better experience. Now you can take any design and try to design the same thing using the linear layout, the concept that we have learned. And hope you'll be in a position to design the better the user experiences with the concept that you have learned using the linear layout concepts. Thank you. Have a great day.